Hey, C's Life family. So what you see here is two incredibly amazing Toyota 4Runners. On the left, you see my 2008 4th Gen 4Runner, and on the right, you see my new 2012 5th Gen 4Runner, which is pre-facelift, and I really like it. So far, what I've noticed after owning a 4th Gen for 5 years and now owning a 5th Gen for maybe 2 months is the size on the interior of the 5th Gen is so much more spacious. Not to say that I felt cramped in my 4th Gen, but the headroom with the sunroof was a little bit lower. They seem to have made some adjustments on the 5th Gen, even though it has the sunroof. But overall, two very stout cars, great square body frame style, high ground clearance. The 4th Gen's a little more modified with a small lift, some suspension work. 5th Gen is mostly stock except for some tires. But so far, I am loving the 5th Gen, and I'm actually going to be selling my 4th Gen tomorrow, which is why I'm making this video. So we decided as a family that we finally wanted a 4-wheel drive vehicle, which my 4th Gen did not have, as well as the 5th Gen is the limited version, a little bit lower miles. It's got the 3rd row seat, a lot of upgrades, and so I'm looking forward to building it out. If you've watched my videos over the last couple of years, you'll know that I have done so many cool upgrades to my 4th Gen, including this custom roof rack build that I've done, as well as on the interior. I've got the Molly panel set up with the shelf, and I have a bed platform. So I've gotten plenty of nights in this vehicle, camping, been to many places across the US, Grand Canyon, Utah, Colorado, a lot of Florida, Tennessee adventures. And so I'm looking forward to building out the 5th Gen and everything that's to come with it. It's really a bittersweet day, finally, knowing that I'm moving on from this 2008 4Runner, because I've just had such great opportunities with it, not to mention the memories and really the reliability. And you can't understate Toyota reliability. I've got just over 190,000 miles, very basic maintenance, a couple little things here and there, a wheel bearing, a seal, but Toyotas, they do what they're meant to do. They drive, they turn on, they get you places. I think that's Toyota's mission statement, right? Going places. Anyway, I bought this car 5 years ago, and I'm selling it tomorrow for more than I bought it with, after putting 75,000 miles. Now, of course, I've got some upgrades, so it's a little bit more attractive, but Toyota resale value is not to be understated. So if you're on the fence about a Toyota, I can highly recommend any Toyota, but especially 4Runners, now that I've just bought my second one. And so there's the journey in front of us, right? C's Life family. What you'll see if you keep up with this channel is that I'm going to take you through a new build with my new 4Runner, which I'm really looking forward to. I have a lot of ideas already in the works right now. She's mostly stock, but to come is a lot of great content and new inspiration. So I hope that you stick around. Just want to say, whether you have a 4th Gen, 5th Gen, or even an older 4Runner, you've got a great vehicle, and it's really just a lot of personal preference. But I'm excited for the future of my next 4Runner, and hope that you stick along for that journey. So to everyone watching, C's Life, subscribe, and have a blessed day. Adios.